Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to talk about what exactly is function declaration and what exactly is function expression. So function declaration means declaring function more the ES5 way, and function expression is declaring functions inside a variable. In future we can say it, in the next tutorial we will discuss a bit about anonymous functions. So now first of all, let us discuss what exactly is a function declaration. Okay, suppose function my profile console log my profile. Okay, now if we do this, we can invoke this and we will get a result. Sorry, it will be my profile. But the same thing if you write function expression. Now function expression can also be written the ES5 way, or with the keyword function, or also with fat arrow function. So let us first write more with keyword function. Okay, let my profile equals to function, and so let's now we took let my profile equals to function console log my profile, and if I invoke this function, see what happens. And now let us comment this out first. Okay, yeah, you see we get my profile. And now if we write the fat arrow function, that is const, okay, let my profile equals to, this is a lot way easier, and obviously console log my profile. So now I can just copy and paste this and write it over here. So let us run this script and see what happens. Okay, I can't declare a function 2 times or declare a variable 2 times. So you see it gives me my profile. Okay, now there is, both of the things are same, and if we invoke each and every one of them, they will give me a same result. But there is a subtle difference between function expression and function declaration. Now let us comment this out, and if we want, we can copy and paste this and write it here. Okay, we can write it here, and which means the function can be hoisted. Hoisting in details is a much bigger term. Maybe in a future episode we will future playlist we will discuss, but as of now you can know that with function declaration you can do hoisting. Okay, so now if I run this, that is in any point of the script where I write my function, I can invoke my function at any point. On the other hand, in case of function declaration, okay, if I do with function expression, if I just copy and paste this, okay, it's always a good idea to put curly braces. And now if I run this script, okay, so you see we already get an error, that is you can't access my profile before initialization. Okay, and in case of, if it's a function expression, using fat arrow function, the result will also be the same. So we can say fat arrow as some syntactic sugar of writing a function, and Yeah, same thing. You can't access my profile before initialization. So this is it, function expression and function declaration. The major difference is you can't hoist a function expression, whereas you can hoist a function declaration. Okay, means if you do function declaration, you can invoke it anywhere, maybe before the line the function is defined, or after the line the function is defined. But in case of function expression, or in case of anonymous function, you can't invoke the function before the function is defined. So that is very much it. Okay, and you can't hoist the function. So that is very much it. So in the next tutorial we'll discuss about anonymous function, and after that we will be done with function, and I believe now you're getting more and more clear with the functions. So that's very much it. Thank you.